the sun, the food that we're eating. Guys, this wind that's blowing right now, we take it all for so granted. Just going about our day in this me, myself bubble. But when you realize that you're living in such a law of familiarity, you start recognizing to be grateful.
Let's get started with today's Monday morning message. Today, I want to be speaking about
The law of familiarity. Guys, hello and welcome. Welcome to Monday. Welcome to Monday morning message. This week, I want to talk to you about the law of familiarity. The law of familiarity is something super interesting, and that is coming to my lived experience here at the ashram for this week. Law of familiarity is simple. It says that if something is around you for too long, you start taking it just a little for granted. When something is around us for too long, we start taking it a little for granted. Until and unless we are reminded that it is not certain and what we're getting is actually a privilege. What do I mean? Guys, in the ashram, as I go around, as I walk around, I see people, and there is this culture almost. It's not a teaching, it's not a belief. There's this culture of bowing down to everything that we see. We see things as part of a larger creation, something that is beyond us. So you bow down to the sun, you bow down to a blade of grass, you bow down to a cow, you bow down to the food that you're about to eat and ingest and make part of you as a life. And hence, I was struck with the law of familiarity. All this while living life, we get accustomed to having food daily. A lot of us who are privileged, we get accustomed to getting to see the sun every morning, almost on a daily basis. We get accustomed to this breeze, to the grass around us. But it became so apparent to me this last week, just even bowing down to the sun, to be grateful for the sun every day is a game changer. Because the law of familiarity makes us believe that the sun is going to be there. But there is actually no guarantee that the sun's going to come out every day. The sun could collapse, Earth could go out of the solar system, and we don't know where we would be. There is no guarantee, there is no bond paper signed with us. The creation has signed no bond paper with us saying that yes, I will guarantee sun for the rest of your life. Every day is actually a new sun, a new rising. But because of the law of familiarity, we start taking it for granted. We are solar powered creatures. 1 minute of the sun gone, our lives will be in a havoc. And yet, we go about the day totally missing the sun, protecting ourselves from it. Law of familiarity, guys, is getting to us. The food that we eat, guys, I can't tell you. Here we go and receive food. We don't take food, we receive food. It's called bhiksha in Hindi. And in some sense, it means that somebody else is volunteering and donating the food to you. You don't have the right, you don't buy the food, and we're all just volunteers here. So when we get that feeling of, receiving the food from somebody who was gracious enough to donate the food, there is so much of gratitude that comes in. And that feeling shows me how so many times I have been taking the food that I eat for granted. Yeah, it's my right, I will get the food. You can have all the money if you want, but if the farmer doesn't grow the crops, we will not have the food. So, law of familiarity, just because we eat food every day, we're conditioned to believe that it's our right, and as if we have to get the food easily every day. But there is no guarantee, guys. The sun, the food that we're eating, guys, this wind that's blowing right now, we take it all for so granted. Just going about our day in this me, myself bubble. But when you realize that you're living in such a law of familiarity, you start recognizing to be grateful. With our parents, we have just totally been so familiar with them. We know that they're always going to be there for most of us, that we start taking our parents for granted. Someone shared with me that the biggest regret they have is their father passed away, and the last thing that they spoke to them was a lie, that they lied to them. It was a small lie. But that incident happened to them like this. They had no idea it was going to happen. It just came out of nowhere. And just because we become so familiar with certain things, we start taking it for granted. ignoring phone calls of our parents if we're calling. If it's our friends, we pick it up right away. If it's our parents, we don't. Such things was brought to my notice this week. Law of familiarity. And it's good to remind myself and to share with you that we should remind ourselves whatever we get familiar with is something that we start taking for granted. And it's important to bring to our awareness, okay, I'm getting familiar with this. Now I need to recheck and make sure I'm acknowledging that this is not going to be forever. This is not certain. This is an illusion of certainty, because nothing is certain. Nothing really is certain. When we break that illusion, we start seeing everything as afresh. We start seeing the sun as afresh. We start seeing our parents a new day with them, totally afresh. We start seeing the food that's on our plate afresh. Every day, the toast that you're eating for breakfast is not the same. It's afresh and it's not guaranteed. Much love, guys. This is from my side to you. I hope this message means something to you, because this is a sharing and learning that I got this week. Let's crack the law of familiarity down and focus on being grateful for the things that are familiar to us, that are consistent in our lives. Much love.
I'm always happy to be here live Monday 9 a.m. India time with you guys, sharing a new message. And I can't wait to continue that.